What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kia, back at it again with a bomb unit from Mscoco Hair. So we have a 24-inch HD lace body wave unit. Did pre-pluck and pre-bleach her off camera just to make this video a lot more, I don't know, entertaining. I don't want to keep showing you the same thing. So today we did try a new style on this wig, something I've never done before, and it's this crimp iron that I got from Bedhead. I got it from Ulta. It was only about 35 bucks, and I'm super excited because I've had like a waver, but these are smaller, so it gives you just such a different look, and it's so pretty. Found that my best results came out when I actually used some spritz and or got to be free spray on the hair before I applied the actual hot tool. HD lace on this wig was so bomb. It blended in with my skin tone perfectly. The lace on this wig was phenomenal that I only wear HD lace now. Their HD lace is definitely the key to getting a perfect, flawless, flat, undetectable install. You do want to keep in mind that if you are going to comb these waves out, that since they are so small that the hair will get frizzy, so you might want to just let them fall how I did. I didn't know that it would get frizzy like that until I tried to do it, and you know, it just basically ruined the whole thing. I had to start all over. So to save you all of that, I would say use spritz and don't comb them out. To ensure that I'm going to get a super flat wig, as you can see, I've been using the hot comb in the very top part because I need that part to be laid when I put it on my head. So don't forget that part either. The install process, I like to wear 2 wig caps, but one of them I'm going to cut that thick band off. And this is like an easy way to finesse a ball cap look without actually doing it. And then after that, I'm going to just apply the wig how I apply all my other wigs. And since this is HD lace, girl, that's just going to help it look more laid, okay? Just like that, we are complete. You do want to make sure that when you're laying your legs, you get you some elastic. That's essential. But other than that, I loved how it came out. I had so much fun with this hairstyle, and I will be using this hot tool again. So if you wanted to try this, I'll even link the hot tool down below that I used. Everything on the wig will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Miss Coco Hair, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So if you do want to pick up this bomb wig, everything on sis is obviously going to be in the description box down below. Duh, you know how this go already. I'll see you in my next one.